Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean your dryer vents. This is something you need to do, well, you want to do part of it every time you do your laundry. If you clean your dryer vents out, you're helping prevent fires in your home. You're saving electricity because your clothes are not going to have to go through the dry cycle as many times. Always make sure you pull this lint catcher out and empty that every single time that you do a load of clothes. You may even, if you're washing towels or something, you may need to empty it in the middle of the cycle. Go check on it, empty it, and then let it finish its cycle. When you dispose of this lint, put it in a trash can. I say get it away from the washer and dryer. Lint is so flammable, and there are so many fires caused in homes by dryer lint. So, after you've pulled this out, like I showed you, you want to vacuum out the little part that the lint trap sets in. So turn your vacuum on and get the little extender. Get as much as you can. Now, if you look behind your dryer, you'll see an exhaust or a vent, and it goes to the exhaust that blows the dryer air out of your house. I was trying to figure out the right way to say it. Anyway, you want to vacuum out that hole and make sure to really vacuum out that pipe. It looks kind of like a pipe. I think it's a big silver looking thing. You want to vacuum that out because if you get dryer lint close to an outlet, it's going to cause a fire. So just make sure to keep it all vacuumed up, and it should work good and save you a lot of money. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean out dryer vents.